Hi everyone, hope you're doing absolutely awesome. So this is going to be a quick overview of the Gerber Bear Grylls Compact Firestarter. Now you might tend to dismiss Bear Grylls branded products as being hokey, and rightly so, but this one appears to be executed pretty well. So what you have here is basically a capsule that contains a ferro rod. The main body of the capsule is constructed of machined aluminum. It has a plastic top cap with a black rubber overmold, and on the end of the aluminum part of the capsule is a steel striker with a sharp spine on it. To get the cap off, you push and twist, and there is an O-ring inside here that seals up against the face of this plastic top cap, so it seals out water from the Firestarter. Let me briefly go over the specs. We have a weight of 1.1 ounces or 32 grams as measured by myself. We have an overall length of 3.3 inches or 85 millimeters. This is a standard size big lighter for size comparison. You can see they're pretty much identical in length. It comes with this kind of plastic paper survival guide here. I don't see this product on Amazon.com, so I'm not sure about its status. Maybe it's been discontinued. I was able to get it recently from Smoky Mountain Knife Works. So this has been a look at the Gerber Bear Grylls Compact Firestarter. If you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear from you. Also, if you could subscribe, like, and share, I'd really appreciate it. I'd like to thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye now.